If you are the pilot in command and you ever have to deviate from an ATC clearance or instruction, especially during an emergency, you must notify ATC as soon as possible. It does not matter why you deviated. Even if the reason was a life or death emergency, you still have to tell them what happened as soon as you safely can. That is the rule. Remember, notify ATC immediately after any deviation from a clearance. Now, just because an emergency happened does not mean you automatically have to write a report. You only need to submit a written report if ATC gives you priority handling during the emergency and only if they ask for it. If they don't give you priority or they don't request a report, you don't have to send one. But if they do, then you have 48 hours to submit the report to the chief of the ATC facility that handled you. Let's say you're flying VFR and you're doing a practice instrument approach. If ATC gives you an altitude or heading that would make you enter clouds, you must say the word unable and stay clear of clouds. That's because under VFR, entering clouds is not allowed. Never follow a clearance or instruction that would make you break a regulation. Just tell them unable and wait for new instructions. Now, imagine you're flying under IFR and an emergency happens that causes you to deviate from your clearance. In that case, you must still notify ATC as soon as possible. Squawking 7700 is helpful, but it is not enough on its own. You must also talk to ATC and tell them about the deviation. Finally, if you're departing from a non-towered airport and ATC gives you a clearance void time, you must be airborne by that time. If you are not airborne by the clearance void time, you must contact ATC as soon as possible and let them know. If you don't, ATC could think your aircraft is missing and may start search and rescue efforts. That's why it's critical to communicate immediately if you're unable to depart on time. ATC may also tell you how long you have to contact them, but this window can't be more than 30 minutes. Bottom line summary. If you ever deviate from a clearance, even in an emergency, tell ATC right away. You only need to write a report if ATC gave you priority and asks for it. If VFR and an assigned heading sends you into clouds, say unable and stay clear. If flying IFR and you break clearance in an emergency, squawk 7700 and talk to ATC. If you miss your departure time from a non-towered field, call ATC ASAP, or they'll think you crashed.